If you are in need of column marking surveyors in Marathahalli, Bangalore, Bangalore, then look no further. Our team of experienced and skilled surveyors specializes in column marking services in this specific area. We understand the importance of accurate and precise column marking for construction projects, and we strive to deliver the highest level of professionalism and expertise. Our column marking surveyors in Marathahalli, Bangalore have extensive knowledge of the local regulations and guidelines. They are equipped with the latest technology and tools to ensure accurate measurements and markings. Whether you are planning a residential or commercial project, our surveyors can assist you in marking the columns correctly, ensuring smooth and efficient construction. So, if you are looking for reliable and experienced column marking surveyors in Marathahalli, Bangalore, contact us today. We are ready to assist you with all your column marking needs and ensure a successful construction project.